Let's have a feel of how it's going on your face and stuff. Yeah, this is significantly less tight than it was when we started.
Yeah, it's uncomfortable, just not really painful, I believe.
Yeah, it's still a bit tight. Yeah, so just gonna have a sort of feel around, see how everything's going. Could you open your jaw? Still tight, but way better than it was. It's not like that huge chunky band that was in here, but there's still this on both sides.
Yeah, it's loosened up all through the scalp too.
Yeah, good.
A lot.
Yeah,
You
definitely.
can probably feel that.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, it feels way better.
Really makes all the difference, though.
Yeah, because even here
Yeah.
was really charged before,
Yeah.
and now it's just mildly tight, you know?
Yeah, I can definitely feel the difference. You know, there's definitely been uncomfortable moments with you working it out, but
I noticed
mind you,
sometimes.
in only 3 sessions, though, I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
it's a
Yeah.
hell of a lot in 3 sessions. You
Hell of
can't
a lot of
expect it
tension
to-
going. Yeah.
Can't expect it to be,
No, not
you know,
perfect.
like having a soft facial massage or something.
That's right.
Not to get that much removed in such a short time.
No. No, it's way better up here. Even up.
Yeah, you probably find it's a little bit tighter there because I've been reading a lot this week, and I just noticed yesterday it's just a little bit tighter in the turning, a little bit more uncomfortable in the turning just from
Yeah, I feel
you
it
know,
in here.
yeah, just being on the couch reading like lots of hours.
Yeah.
It's my fault.
What have you been reading?
That's from Bhagavatam.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a very, very long book.
Yeah.
Been reading for
Very
a long
ancient.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, very ancient.
Mm. Giving you a lot of good insight.
Absolutely. There's a lot to read in there. I find myself rereading a lot, just trying to least grasp some of the essence of what's written in there.
Yeah,
It's very,
fantastic.
very extensive.
Your neck's a lot better. I still feel some tightness though. It's easier to get into. Big breath. And out.
Oh.
And again.
This way doesn't want to really turn very much.
Alright, we'll go
Unless you're
gentle.
feeling it there.
Feeling it in here.
I'm feeling it through here, even just twisted that far.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's, I don't know, maybe holding it a bit. It's a bit cautious on
In
that one,
here,
cracking
okay.
that side. Just at the back here more on through here.
Yeah. Do a bit of loosening up.
Yeah, needs to crack up and feel that.
Just wants to,
It
yeah.
must look like
We gotta
strange.
loosen the muscles first.
Yeah.
Still feels pretty tight in here actually. It's probably what's causing that neck.
Yeah, it does feel tight.
Yeah, you're noticing it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well we're gonna, might have to come back to that thumb in a minute. We'll feel the other side as well. It's a little bit tight on this thumb too, in here. Big breath. Yeah.
Actually, this side I did a lot of guitar last week on that full moon on the beach.
Oh, your kirtan on the beach, yeah?
There's one that was really kind of fast for a long time, and I really felt it.
Yeah, yeah,
My arm and elbow.
yeah,
So maybe that's why the neck's gone a bit
yeah.
tight, because I had an hour's worth of pretty solid playing
Nice. All right.
there. No moon's bigger.
Well, we got our car fixed, so we're ready to do a bit
Oh,
more.
good.
Yeah, well, we think so. We got the new fuel pump put in and everything,
It
so.
hasn't cut out. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I've been driving it around a bit. It's been going really well when it's driving.
Yeah, good.
So,
How much did that end up costing you?
we had a few other things to fix, and it cost $800. So, the fuel pump itself was $450 or something.
Yeah, genuine probably.
Yeah,
Should've
and he said he had
lasted
to
a
take
lot
out
longer.
the fuel tank and all the LPG
Yes, I was
lines
looking
and
at
stuff.
It, like,
He said it was pretty complicated.
Like some fuel pumps are really cheap and easy, but when you've got a
Yeah.
just pulling this
Dual
spare wheel
system.
and then it's all the spare wheel brackets and
Yeah,
then all the brackets and then all your fuel lines and your fuel filler.
yeah,
Then you drop the tank and then you got to pull it out and reverse it all.
yeah.
So yeah.
So that big toe still needs a bit of work. I feel
Yeah,
like
I
it's
can
sort
feel
of,
that's
it's still a bit
painful.
kind of,
Now
yeah,
this one's really sore. And
still
that
sore.
muscle
So we're
still-
probably not going to do that one today then.
and I have still been getting nerve pain along the top of the
Yeah, it doesn't want
toe. I don't know. Oh,
to. Yeah, no. So it's good. Definitely. Wow, so much better.
that's a lot better.
It's so much better. Hey, yeah. Like, I mean, it's still, you know, there's still tightness in here, in particular, probably that outer, but, you know, wow. All right. This one's a bit tighter, but better than what it was. So.
Well, it was like concrete when I
Yeah,
first
yeah,
session. It was
yeah. It was
untouchable.
untouchable.
Well,
Yeah,
if you'd even actually touch that to assess it, is
Yeah, I remember you could hardly,
Well.
yeah, exactly. Now it's like, there's some tightness, but it's not too
Yeah.
bad. I mean, I can even do that, and where there's no way you
Yeah,
could have
well, that's
handled
kind of
that.
at my limit there, but
Yeah.
that's a lot
A
more.
lot more, yeah. All right.
Like the back and hip and abdominals and everything. So yeah, it's week one is actually what you've done.
Yeah, great. Even your tummy, I mean, do you remember how like I could hardly even touch you there?
Yeah.
And now it's like, yeah, it's a bit tight. Still, there's
I can notice it, but wow.
yeah, but so much
Even
better.
looking at it, just about put me through the roof.
Yeah, yeah.
Jumping off the table.
Yeah. Bit of tightness there. There's still some there. But it's so much. It's gone from like a lot of 9s and 8s to sort of 5s and 6s. You know? Yeah. So. I'll just get you to roll over, and we'll just have a feel of your back and your hips and stuff as well before I make my plan. That was a good click in there. Again, not too bad.
Yeah, big improvement.
Yeah, big improvement. Yeah, that's tight over here. So I'm sort of thinking initially maybe your thumbs, but your hips definitely still a bit tight in there.
Yeah, hips and legs.
Yeah, which is probably coming from over this way. You can still see a bit of a curving of the toe there.
Still trying to settle down. It's probably still affecting.
That was so bad. This one, yeah.
They can't do manipulation.
Yeah, we can't do much on there. No. But yeah, even in here feels pretty tight. So definitely more work on this foot, I would say. Maybe all that. Yeah, so. But whether we do that in this session because your big toe's still a bit sore, you know, or we do it in another session and we focus on your thumbs. But yeah, definitely some tightness in here. Yeah. Yeah. This is... Yeah. From the little toe, I'd say. All right. Well, it's definitely a lot better. There's still, you know, still more work to be done, to say, on this second round. But I might get you to roll back over, and I might just start on that thumb.